All right, those were just my smoked sausages that I cut into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm coming in with my yellow potatoes that I quartered, and these are just the mini Yukon potatoes. I have one whole white onion diced that we're placing right in there with our sausage and our potatoes all in our crock pot. Such an easy and delicious crock pot soup that we're gonna throw together today. And we have 2 jalapenos diced with the seeds. If you don't like heat, you can skip the jalapenos, but I think it really adds some beautiful flavor. All right, now we're coming in with our turnip greens, and I did drain these, and we're gonna use this whole 28-ounce can of turnip greens in our soup. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. We're gonna add a can of original Rotel right in there. So we have our potatoes, our sausage, our onions, our jalapenos, our turnip greens, our Rotel, but we are not done yet. We need to add our beans, and we're gonna add 1 can of navy beans in there. Lots of delicious beans. You can kind of switch out the beans for whatever ones you like, but I think that these ones go perfect with this dish. Oh yeah. And black-eyed peas, you know it. Making it a little bit southern today with our black-eyed peas and our turnip greens. This is gonna be so good. And you can make this on the stove top, but I love making it in my crock pot because I can set it and forget it. All right, I have 2 cups of water here because this is a soup, so we need some liquid. And we're gonna add our Better Than Bouillon chicken flavoring to our water. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. All right, in there. Kind of just do the best you can measuring that out. Beautiful. And we're gonna grab our whisk and mix that together to create almost like a chicken broth. It doesn't need to be perfectly mixed together, but this is our liquid for our soup, and this is gonna taste so good. You can add some additional seasonings in there as well if you want, but I'm gonna keep it super simple. This is kind of an affordable little soup that you can make because, you know, we have all those canned things and they're like $1 each. And now we're gonna drizzle our mixture right into our crock pot. Oh yeah. And don't worry, this will just get more moisture as it cooks. That's why I love the crock pot. It creates so much moisture. We're gonna make sure to get all of that Better Than the Bouillon out. All right, now it is time to give this a good hearty mix and get everything well combined. And as you notice, I didn't add broth because we have that water mixture, which is gonna be better than a store-made broth. And it's gonna be super flavorful with all of these ingredients in here. And like I said, it might seem like not enough liquid, but that crock pot will create liquid. This is perfect for a fall cozy night or a winter night, or you know, if you just want to set it and forget it in the morning, and then when you get home from work, you have a delicious soup dinner.
And it looks healthy too.
I mean, it has a lot of good ingredients in there. Lots of beans, lots of fiber, lots of protein. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on, and I'm popping mine on high. All right, our swamp soup has been on high for 4 hours. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh my goodness, this looks absolutely incredible. Oh, let's just give it a nice little mix. Smells so tasty. We have all those beans in there, the potatoes, the sausage, those greens. Our soup is ready, and this is obviously a chunky soup, but what is not to love?
Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the sausage.
Yeah, it's definitely taking over the aromas. Oh my goodness, okay. Perfect little fall afternoon dinner. And if you want to cook it on low for 8 hours, set it and forget it in the morning, you do that too.
It must be good.
Wow, that is tasty. I'm definitely going to be making this on repeat this fall.